You are a wonderful God. Oh, my creator. Only you are.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Doyle back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down the trades I took this week. This week have been very great. I'm not gonna lie. Yesterday, Monday, was absolutely beautiful. I did take a small loss on GU, but I had the direction right. So I can overall say that this week everything been playing out exactly how I've been mapping it out. It's just GU wasn't ready initially when I got in. So let's get into it. So I'm gonna just break down the GU trade Monday. I'm gonna break down SPX 500 on Monday, NAS on Monday and Tuesday, and I'll wrap this video up. Oh, and before y'all say anything about GJ, yes, I added GJ back on my list. Why did I add GJ back on my list? GJ have been trending for a very long time. Go look at your trading view and look at how GJ just been trending. It just been a clear trend. I have to add that back on to my list. Why? Because supply and demand works perfect in trending markets. And if you see GJ just trending, then you will know, like, okay, let me just wait for it to get to a certain demand level or a certain supply level, and it's usually going to reverse. So I had to add that, I'm not gonna lie. But let's get into it. So Monday trade on GU. I knew, well, I didn't know, but I knew for a fact that it was at a 1 hour level, but I didn't take into account that just because you're trading a 1 hour setup doesn't mean that it's ready to take off at that point. So if we go to the 1 hour, and I saw this. Okay, so I saw this. I'm like, okay, this is a regular supply setup. And if I go back to the 5 minute, go to this area, when it was tapping into it, I'm like, okay, this can obviously be a supply right here. Let me do a replay mode. A supply right here to take the sell. So I took a sell right here, had my stop loss right here. My first take profit was down there. That was my first take profit. It immediately went up. And I lost. Now, I personally didn't think it was going to just keep shooting up because we're at a 1 hour level. So after I lost, I was done looking at it for the day. I'm not gonna lie, I was done. I'm like, I'm cool, bro. I'm cool. So it shot up through a little resistance setup right here. Literally through a resistance setup right there. And you could have hopped back in for the sell because we know that we at a 1 hour level. So like once you understand where you're at on a higher time frame, you're gonna know eventually it's going to go in that direction. So me personally, I was just done with GU. Like I was just over Forex pairs. And also Monday was a bank holiday, so I really shouldn't have been trading GU like that, but I did anyway. And I mean, I just took a little loss. So after it tapped into that little resistance setup, then it just took off after that, and the rest was history. I don't know who caught this. I didn't catch it because I was too busy catching SPX and NAS100. So this was a trade that I lost on. It was a winning trade, but I got in at the wrong point on the 5 minute. So stuff like that is going to happen, and I just sucked up the loss. Now let's go to NAS. NAS, I'm not gonna lie, NAS have been so beautiful, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. I could just, you know what I'm saying? I might have to get like a NASDAQ poster or some shit. I don't know. But okay, so let me so this trade right here, this trade was influenced by the 15-minute chart. Okay. A lot of us in the group did catch this move, no cap. Now, but this setup in particular, this was a demand setup, and we had gaps above. So we had hella gaps right here that had to get filled. We had a gap right here that got to get filled, and we had a little bit left over here if I show you exactly where we got in at. So right here, this was a demand right here, and it literally, come on, bro, and it literally tapped into it. I keep clicking it, it's not clicking. Okay, so this was a demand level. Now this is pre-market. Now I don't know what's going on with the market, but I can sense that the market is kind of changing a little bit, because pre-market setups have been way better than after New York Stock Exchange. I don't even know why, bro. I can't even explain it, but they've been hitting, bro. So I had this zone marked up, and I'm like, okay, we've been dropping for a very long time. It have to correct itself. And once I saw that it was breaking structure, I went to the 5 minute. And when I went to the 5 minute, I'm like, okay, let me get in early off the 5 minute break. So I got in a little bit right here, and I just took it like to right there. I'm not gonna lie, I had my stop loss right there. And some people left the runner at the open, and you took all of this. So let's see, I know it's a few people in the group that left the runner, so they like left it like right there or something. And I was a 1 to 5 R. Now that's still super risky. Like we don't know if it's gonna just go up like that. But once, like I said, like this is how I trade. When I do a 1 to 1 RR, move my stop loss to break even, lead a runner, and people left the runner and it just blasted up. So that was a good trade. Now that was on Monday. Now this trade alone covered my GU loss. Now this same day, this very same day, let's go to SPX. That's why I said Monday was just lit. I'm not gonna lie. So after we took the NAS trade, we also seen another setup on SPX, but it wasn't the exact same setup. It was a different demand setup. So we had this marked up, and we got aggressive buying coming out of this area, came back into it. And I almost missed sending this to the group, because like it was up in this area, but once it came back, I'm like, okay, let me just send a signal to the group or whatever. And then it just shot up, boom, we scalped it, and then we got out. So we got in right there at that line, and that was it. That was literally it. So we just took that, and then it reversed. But I'll be getting out anyway, I ain't gonna lie. So that was Monday. Now that was 3 trades on Monday. 3 trades on Monday. Loss on GU, 1 on NAS, 1 on SPX. And SPX, I went super heavy on it. Why did I go super heavy on it? Because these are the most beautiful setups. Like when I see stuff like this aggressive buying candle, I know that they start buying right here. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like the institution, they really was pushing it right here. So when they come back, they get more people in to keep going up. So and then they reverse. But yeah, I had to go heavy on it. It just looked too beautiful, bro. So that was Monday. So again, Monday loss on GU, 1 on NAS, 1 on SPX. Now let's go back to NAS, because this literally just happened today. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, and it's so crazy because there's so many stuff that been happening. I don't know if y'all been noticing, like SPX been throwing some clean setups during London. A lot of nice pre-market setups on NAS. GU been throwing some nice setups. I haven't really touched EU like that, because EU haven't really been doing nothing that's been like, oh, I gotta get in. Like, it haven't been doing that. So I haven't really been impressed for it. But so today, we can clearly see we got aggressive selling out of this area. We got aggressive selling out of this area. And this is just like a regular simple break and retest right there. That's an easy dub right there. But we also have supply right here. Now, this was such a sniper entry. It's ridiculous, bro. Like as soon as we tapped into it, reverse, we sold. I just had to make sure everybody in the group like get out before the New York Stock Exchange open, and then look what it did, reverse. So this was just a simple trade, like aggressive selling, came right back to the area, drop. Some people took a demand. I think they took a demand, or was that SPX? Let me go back to SPX. Yeah, SPX had a, man, this right here, beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't know who took this, but sniper entry, literally. So I just tapped into it. You could have just, you know what I'm saying, held it. But again, it's still dangerous holding the New York Stock Exchange open. But yeah, this was just a good day. So yeah, those was the trades that I took. It was a NAS supply setup today. Yesterday was demand on a 15-minute demand on NAS, a 5-minute demand on SPX, and on GU loss. I still had the direction right. I just got in at the wrong time. You still could have got in, and you still could have won. But I was just done with Forex pairs. So that's really been it. I'm not gonna lie. This week been going super great. Oh, for people that just been waiting on me to upload part 5 of trading with $10 to 1,000, I'm gonna get to it. But I mean, for people that's on my Instagram, you already know this, but I'm still in the process of moving. So like, I don't want to do too much trading. Like I'm about to really slow down the uploads, unfortunately, because I really got to get up out of here. You know what I'm saying? Like I've been talking about this stuff for the longest, and it's finally happening. So like the upload's gonna slow down, but as soon as I get settled into the new crib, we back uploading. But I just wanted to just say that for people like, bro, are you ever gonna part 5? Yes, bro. Yes, bro. I'm still at $103, bro. You can go watch part 4. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get it to 1,000. Trust me. But I just got other stuff that's more important. And also I trade the accounts separately. I don't do both. I trade them separately. So tomorrow I may record a little bit of part 5 to the little flip account. But other than that, that's all I got, man. That was the trades I took. Super simple. Y'all see how I keep it super simple, like supply and demand or support and resistance. You know what I'm saying? Like, and we just kill it every single day. But that's all I got, man. If you got any requested videos, please DM me on Instagram. I have so many videos I have to record, and I'm trying to push out as many videos as possible before I have to really like pack up everything in this room and living room, etc., and just, you know what I'm saying, move. So I'm trying to push out as many videos as possible so I won't like slow down the upload. So just let me know if y'all got any requests. DM me on Instagram. Do not message me on YouTube. I don't like, I used to look at YouTube comments, but I don't anymore because it just be like, bro, Forex community too toxic. I don't got time. So yeah, that's all I got. Peace and love. I'm out.